Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have brought for you this SIM card camera smartwatch. So box size is big. Let's unbox this. So here is a charger and I have got two straps, and here is a watch. You can see the dial is round shape, and here you can see SIM card. Here you can insert SIM card. I will show you. You can see. And here is a camera. I will show you. Here you can see this is camera. Here you can see this is camera. Graphics is okay but not good. So here you can see apps is given here. You can set alarm, and here given calculator, and here is the settings, display settings, general. You can set time and date, and you can check your steps, and two games is given, one snake and one puzzle. And here you can see SOS, and you can check messages. By this QR code you can download the app of the watch. Here you can see calendar is given. You can do calls by Bluetooth or by SIM card. And you can check blood pressure, heart rate, weather. Don't know this is how accurate. And you can find your phone also. And here you can see indoor running and indoor cycling and outdoor walking and other training. Let's wear this watch. So watch looking is good, you can see in my hand. And you can change the wallpaper also by the rolling this button. You can see 4 wallpaper is given here. And how to connect to this watch to smartphone I will show in next video. Overall build quality, looking and finishing is good of the watch. So I really like this watch. So you guys to buy this watch, link in description. So thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.